Alright YouTube, back at it here. As you can see, intake manifold is off, and kind of explain what happened here. So I was driving the car, developed a misfire, was able to get it home, and pulled the spark plugs out, and the number 4 cylinder was all wet. So I pulled off the intake manifold, loosened the fuel rail here, and the number 4 intake, or I'm sorry, the number 4 injector right here was just spraying fuel out of it big time. And I'll go ahead and drop a video of that right here so you can see what I'm talking about. So I was gonna sit and drive the car, you know, at least enjoy it for a couple of months or so. I knew I had to get bigger injectors if I wanted more power, but because of the leaking injector, I figured I'd just go ahead and order new injectors. And I went ahead and ordered some ID 1050s, and that should allow me to reach my power goal that I want now. And while I have everything apart, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade my exhaust system as well. Here's the old 3-inch setup. Here's the new 4-inch setup. 3-inch setup was dumping out of the bottom of the trunk on the side over here. And the new setup is actually going to come up through the deck lid. So I got to install the injectors, redo the exhaust, and when I get all that buttoned up, I'll have a video on how all that looks. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.